Ugoko ne kwa Kikuyu podcast guys. Ndîndi Nyoro ne korete hashike muno. Niacemanitie na backlash nene muno guku online. Ndira expectaga ati undu uyu ni gwikika. No undu uria wikikire Ndîndi Nyoro. Ni areninire gisiasa na njira nene muno. Kurikava haho it will take him time. Todo trust area andu marae nayo nake ni ameninire. Ndîndi Nyoro ni okite akaria akera akenya tiriri. In fact statement yake Arabia, dear Kenyans, I come in humility and in peace. Akabia ko explain na Kenya tiriri ati goya gwika finance bill ndari thiini wa bũrũri wa Kenya, ni athite nja wa bũrũri wa Kenya na athire a day before Wednesday onetwo ni Wednesday akihora inegene muno kuria thiini wa parliament ati hwaini ucio niguo athire nja wa bũrũri wa Kenya ati ari na undu athia gwika undu unavoidable no ngina angiathire. Akenya makamuria kiuria, so maundu macio maku mari important ukira guthii gutetera a Kenya thiini wa buke. Remember, undu ria Ndîndi Nyoro arekire it really backfired. Triki ino yake ya gwikara kuria fence-ini, it has really backfired. It has really backfired. Nwe niki eciragia hihi akeme kuga Ndîndi Nyoro ndaikirie kura, kumbe maitho mothe maroreirio Ndîndi Nyoro. Let's be honest, vote iyo imwe ya Ndîndi Nyoro ndingira make a difference to ndingira gwithirie finance bill 26. No andu maenda kuona riri Ndîndi Nyoro oi twi mwena umwe nake kana emwe no rioki. Andu maenda kumenya atiriri Ndîndi Nyoro oi emwe na wa andu oi kana emwe no rioki. Ndîndi Nyoro oi no kwaria aragia oi kana araria na ne take action. No riri ne koronanirie Ndîndi Nyoro no kwaria tu araria without action. Trust area a Kenya maraina yo na Ndîndi Nyoro na ni Kenyans othe trust area maraina yo na Ndîndi Nyoro ni rathirire. And politically Ndîndi Nyoro ni areguthire igutha inene muno. Let's be honest, politically Ndîndi Nyoro ni areguthire igutha inene muno. In fact, let me tell you the fact, Oma wadito thaici ona Ndîndi Nyoro ageria guka kwariria andu kwambia kumera atiriri ati thirikari ireka andu matingimuthikiriria. Uratwira na gwakinya na go take action gutire undu ureka. Uratwira atia lakini muthomero ya Ndîndi Nyoro augite joke tuthie thiini wa comment section muone uria andu maritie. Ndamwirire Ndîndi Nyoro nionekanaga hihi andu no mamutrust thiini wa gicigo kia Mount Kenya region, no thaici andu matira mutrust anymore. Niki aretwo ti muhiu na ti muhehu. As a leader, no ngina wana ni direction yako. Either you are with us, we Kenyans, or you are not with us. Ndîndi Nyoro ndenda muyorie kiuria niki tu ni Ndîndi Nyoro arorio tondu akenya othe makoretwo makimurora ni makoretwo makina potential thiini wa Ndîndi Nyoro, no ye mwenyewe ni aregwithirie. Ndîndi Nyoro augite ho wadosu wa Kenya wote, and by the his illegality, wadosu wa Kenya wote, I come in peace and humility. The vote for finance bill happened yesterday. Disappointingly, I was not in parliament. I traveled out of the country on Wednesday evening for engagement that could not have been postponed, but no explanation should absolve the blame. As for the feedback we have received from all Kenyans, we take it with humility. All the feedback will go a long way in making us better as we discharge our duties in parliament and outside in service to the great people of Kenya. Ngorauga ati wale thiini wa engagement atagia hotire go postpone neru andu makamuria tiriri kogu engagement issue nicio ciari important gukira guthi wikia vote area aigia teithirie a Kenya thiini wa parliament. We have always been available and for the right in debating both the appropriations bills and the finance bill on the committee and on the floor of the House as a commitment to giving a different and alternative view. This has also been an important platform of informing Kenyans on the things that affect them, the business, investment, decision, and the economy in general. Dirarega, ni ukoretwo debate ora bills ciothe no niki wakinye ni hingo ya gwika decision, hingo ya kuvoti nduriho. Debate ni undu tofauti na action. Hingo ya action ni debate, no hingo ya make action nduriho. Kedi akauga ndigũthoma yothe ngũthoma tu ngina ha tondũ nene muno. Whereas this is important, we also must acknowledge the fact that Parliament is in an unprecedented phase where both the majority, the minority leadership are on the same side, thereby making it difficult to effectively act as an institution of oversight. That's why we choose to do it both inside and outside. Okay, ona akiuga atiriri, both thĩinĩ wa Parliament, majority na minority mararuta wĩra hamwe. The fact is, we have this minority, the 40 are minority. Why were you not among the 40? The minority, we Kenyans know, aya marũgamire na Kenya. Gĩtĩo kĩrĩa Ndîndi Nyoro akoretwo akĩheo eno finance bill, kwaga tu gũthiĩ gũikia no, na no yo yake ndĩngĩracenjirie maũndũ, nĩ yatũma enine na njĩra nene mũno. By the way, Ndîndi Nyoro nĩehũrithĩtie mbara nene mũno na politically ti haũthũ. Kenya magoka makandĩka makauga Garang Wamso andĩkĩte kauga Senator Methu is equally capable of steering the ship when you have international agreements. Tuko tu sawa. Na rĩu ũrĩa arero atĩ ona twĩna Methu, so ona warehe ithako rĩrĩ wĩna rĩo na ũngĩona gũthiĩ mwena ũrĩa ũngĩ ithuĩ twĩ sawa, we are someone else. Ayogĩ akauga coincidence? No way. The pattern is becoming clear. You can't be at the front line on media but absent when it matters most, where your voice is needed. Nĩ ũratũkua wana rĩu. Ndũra mwĩra. Ogĩ akauga you are certified fence sitter komerera. Ogĩ akamwĩra anyone MP who was absent during voting time automatically okayed past the bill. Yes, of course. Kwena MBC awetio, you can fool some Kenyans for some time, but not all Kenyans for all the time. Dan Wachira akago. Just explain why you always abstain from voting when your vote really matters. There is no fence sitting. Peter Kenneth Mwingine. Gakawa blessed. Too much writing won't change the Kenyan mind. The way you sit on the fence, it's worrying. Shania Kenya. Ongari akago. Political games, even the impeachment, you are absent. So who is fooling who? Alisa Kawa. What caught out attention, Muhesh, was when you were asked about Madeni Imekopo. What was that? Gerald Akawa. Have a stand like your mentor, Kangata. What or who are you fearing? My simple question is, why resurface the day after voting? Kiu nikio kuri adumaroria, niki wali surface kana omera after adoko vote. Alex Akawa. With all due respect, I think you are overrated. You made many of us believe you are clear, wise, and confident. But the more I listen and observe, the more I realize that image was largely built on participation rather than substance. Kagwa, you are overrated, bwana. Giakamwela, you must choose to be either hot or cold. You can't be both. Manuel Kawa, you are in Parliament on Wednesday. You travel outside the country that late night. Na oguo neguo adu ma dekide Ndîndi Nyoro. Ndîndi did one of the biggest blunder. Haredo maramuigete ne ninire. Politically, by the way, vote yake ndĩngĩra make a difference. But politically, Ndîndi Nyoro ne ninire. People can't trust him anymore. Ndogiuga ũrathire hingo andũ maragubatara mũno. Ũrathire. igwa andu marakwenda muno kana igwa urabatarana muno. Anyway, hiya shiragia andu matikurealize, hiya shiragia andu matikureact, but it has backfired. It has really backfired. It has really backfired. So Ndîndi Nyoro agiathire thiini wa parliament auge no ona bili ya kuhetoka andu mangirauga ona Ndîndi Nyoro ariho icio niwe turenda. Yes, huyo sasa ndiye tunataka. Ucio sawa. No kwa guthi gutu wikia no. You are making a lot of noise outside there. Kendo tikiga no wakine guthi wikia kura nduriho. How? Ndîndi Nyoro arehorire oniko emwe. Noma sana. Politically nyehura yefoko kinene muno. Politically andu kumutrust itakuwa ngumu. Remember you are one year to election. Ndîndi Nyoro ni mundu turetereire hino akorwo thiini wa national politics. Can we trust him? I call the what decision is nini tutiramuona higa ko impeach Gachagua ndonekanire. Can we trust him? Can we? On a podcast mwani manyu mareko inyumara ata. Thank you guys matina marathime guys, it is what it is kwani iko nini. Thank you, God bless you.